If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. We have completed the full investment process, systematic deal flow, rapid evaluation, efficient due diligence, win-win term sheets, and strategic portfolio construction. Now comes the moment that separates good investors from great ones, the first 90 days after your investment. The critical first 90 days, setting the foundation. Let's start with the first 90 days after the investment, which are make or break for investor-founder relationship. The post-investment reality check. First and foremost, the founder psychology shift from fundraising mode to the execution mode. The common post-investment mistakes. First and foremost is the absent investor, who wires money and disappears until the next board meeting. The micromanager, wanting to be involved in every decision despite the lack of operational context. The value framework for post-investment onboarding, wherein V goes for vision alignment and goal setting. You revisit your shared vision, you define success matrix, you establish your role. Second comes the access and the introduction facilitation, wherein you tap into your network, you have customer introductions, you make sure that if there is a talent, you are making that talent accessible to the founder. And this brings us to the learning and information exchange, wherein you share market trends and competitive intelligence, provide framework for best practices and the playbook from successful portfolio companies. This brings us to the urgent problem solving. Look into the immediate challenges. What are the problems that you can help solve right now? The skill gaps. Where can you provide temporary expertise or advice? Finally, we come to the E in the value framework, wherein you have expectation and communication rhythm. Let's start with the reporting cadence. You have monthly updates, quarterly deep dives, and a custom schedule, whichever works for you as well as the founder. The quick value assessment framework. Category 1 is the network-based value, which has the highest impact and the fastest deliveries. Category 2 is expertise-based value, which is high impact, medium timeline. And then you have the category 3, which is your resource-based value, which has medium impact, but an immediate timeline, wherein you have service provider connections, tools and software access, office and infrastructure, and financial planning. Then you have your communication cadence and board meeting excellence. Your communication rhythm determines relationship quality. And here's how to optimize the ongoing interactions. The strategic communication framework. Let's start with the monthly update optimization. Instead of asking how is it going, request specific information. For example, the matrix dashboard, key performance indicators with the trend. And then you have your quarterly deep dive sessions, wherein you have strategic planning. You review and adjust the 6 to 12 month roadmap. Market analysis, discuss the competitive landscape and market changes. You have your pre-board preparation, wherein you read the materials thoroughly, come prepared with thoughtful questions. Focus on strategic issues. Don't spend time on operational updates you can read beforehand. The best board members come prepared, ask thoughtful questions, and deliver on the commitments. They make founders feel smarter and more capable, not scrutinized and judged. You now have the complete toolkit: systematic deal flow, rapid evaluation, efficient due diligence, win-win negotiation, strategic portfolio construction, and the value-add post-investment support. The best investors understand that writing checks is just the beginning. Your success is measured not just by the deals you do, but also by how much value you create for the founders and the companies that you are backing. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.